Easiest eyeliner look you can do, the smoky wing. It's super easy. Let me show you how to do it. I recommend doing this when you don't have your foundation on yet. That way, if you have any fallout, you can just like clean it up. On my tape, I make sure it's really well set, especially on this area. So I use a black pencil, but you can also use black eyeshadow. Apply a tiny bit right here on the little corner between your eye and the tape. Start blending that pencil out in a line. And it's okay if it gets messy because we're gonna blend that out. And this is what it looks without the eyeshadow. Blend it out, trying to keep it there. This is kind of flat, square brush, fluffy, and we're gonna dip it into our brown powder, and we are gonna set it right on the edge of the black pencil. I'm just gonna blend that out over that line, blurring it out. Then I'm gonna grab this lighter shade, and I am just gonna apply it on the outer, also blending out that edge. We add a lighter color to the inner part of your eye, up to here. Mascara and lashes, and let's remove it.